Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is IGQ paper for class 4 2017 Saturday. These are questions from original question paper with answers at the end of video. In this video you will know what type of questions are asked in GK Olympiad. The first section is general awareness. Question 1. What is the currency of South Africa? Currency of South Africa. A. Shilling, B. Dollar, C. Rand, D. Euro. Second, which is the largest fish in the world? Largest fish in the world. A. Basking shark, B. Greenland shark, C. Great white shark, fourth, whale shark. Select the incorrect match from the following pairs. Oncologist focuses on the treatment and prevention of cancer. Pediatrician deals with the diseases of eyes. Cardiologist treats heart related diseases. D. Surgeon performs surgeries. Now you have to choose incorrect option. So this is one word and you have to choose the incorrect option. Fourth, constellation is a group of stars which forms recognizable patterns or shapes in the night sky. Identify the constellation shown in the picture. Options A. Ursa Major, B. Ursa Minor, C. Orion, D. Cassiopeia. Question 5th. Which of these words is correctly spelled? Now choose from option A, B, C, D which word is correctly spelled. A. Present, B. Natural, C. Dictionary, D. Profession. Question 6th. The picture shown is the famous painting called the Madonna of the Book. Which Italian artist painted it? Now see the picture, the Madonna of the Book. Which Italian artist painted it? A. Leonardo da Vinci, B. Giorgio Vasari, C. Sandro Botticelli, D. Masaccio. 7th. Who among the following is known as the father of English poetry? Father of English poetry. Option A. Geoffrey Chaucer, B. William Shakespeare, C. John Milton, D. None of these. 8th. Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon at A. Bodh Gaya, Nalanda, C. Sarnath, D. Kushinagar. Question 9. Which of the following is or are not correctly matched? So you have to choose which are not matched correctly. First, output sound from the computer. See the second picture, input and output device. Third, an output device used to write directly on the screen. Fourth, input sound or voice to the computer. Now see the options and choose the correct answer which is not matched correctly. Question 10. Which of the following helps in converting milk into curd? Now, which of the following helps in converting milk into curd? A. Viruses, B. Fungi, C. Bacteria, D. Protozoa. 11th. Which of the following water sports is incorrectly named? A. Rowing, B. Water polo, C. Yachting, D. Water skiing. So, incorrectly named water sports. Question 12. He was one of the India's greatest freedom fighters who was called Netaji. Whom are we talking about? Now, see the options A, B, C, D. Who was called Netaji? On the basis of given figure, which of the following statement is true? Now choose from option A, B, C, D which statement is true regarding the picture given. Option A. 7 by 10 of the triangles have lines. B. 7 by 20 of the triangles have dots. C. Half of the triangles are blank. D. All of these. Now numerator will be the number of shaded parts and denominator will be the total number of parts in which the whole picture is divided. Now choose which statement is true. Question number 14. Which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Now find the largest state in India in terms of area. A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. 15th. Copa America was formerly known as Copa America was formerly known as A. FIFA World Cup, C. UEFA Euro, C. UEFA Champions League, D. South American Football Championship. 16th. Which of the following has an advertising slogan stated "Share moments, share life"? Now, which advertising slogan stated "Share moments, share life"? Canon, Nikon, Kodak, Olympus. 17. Which of the following is the national game of Japan? National game of Japan: Taekwondo, football, handball, sumo wrestling. Identify it. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are different. All my digits add up to 20. The hundredth digit is double the ones digit and tenth digit is thrice the thousandth digit. Now look for a number whose digits are different and all digits add up to 20 and the hundredth digit is double the ones digit and tenth digit is thrice the thousandth digit. Question number 19. Which of the following plants has adapted itself to the extreme environment by modifying its leaves into spines? Now you have to choose a plant that has adapted itself to the extreme environment by modifying its leaves into spines. A. Duckweed, B. Opuntia, C. Nepenthes, D. Cuscuta. Question number 20. It is the thin outer covering of the tooth and is the hardest tissue in the human body. Which is the tissue? Now identify the tissue which has thin outer covering of the tooth and is the hardest tissue in the human body. A. Cement, B. Enamel, C. Crown, D. Dentine. Current affairs. What was the theme of National Science Day celebrated on 28th February 2017? So you have to choose which theme of National Science Day celebrated on 28th February 2017. A. Science and technology for specially abled persons. B. Fostering scientific temper. C. Science for nation building. D. Scientific issues for development of the nation. Now prepare this type of questions for current year. Question 22. Which country hosted the 2017 Mobile World Congress? Which country hosted the 2017 Mobile World Congress? Japan, Spain, Germany, Italy. Which movie won the Best Picture award at the 89th Oscar Academy Awards held in 2017? Hidden Figures, La La Land, Story of Your Life, Moonlight. 24th. The first Namami Brahmaputra festival was held in Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram. First Namami Brahmaputra festival. So this can be asked in general awareness also. Be prepared for that. Who is the current Chief Minister of Sikkim? Current Chief Minister of Sikkim. See the options and choose the correct answer. Life skills. 26th. Various kind of disasters may strike us at any moment. We should be strong and calm when this happens. In case you sense earthquake tremors, When you are indoors, you should. Options: 1. Cover your head and torso to prevent being hit by falling objects. Second, immediately take the elevator and rush to the building's exit point. 3. Shut off gas valves and unplug electrical cords. D. Take stairs and move to open area away from buildings, vehicles and electric poles. Now choose the correct option. 27th. If you go for a safari in a national park, you should: A. Carry homemade food items with you to feed animals. B. Always go after sunset. C. Play loud music to entertain animals. D. Get an officially registered nature's guide who will help you in spotting wildlife. 28. A new student has joined your class who is from a Hindi medium school. He is in finding it difficult to adjust in the school as most of the communication in your school is done in English. What would you tell him? A. He should leave the school. B. He should try to speak in English as much as possible and should not be afraid of making mistakes. C. He should not be afraid of asking questions. D. Both B and C. Question number 29. While doing a group activity or project, first, all team members should convey their ideas clearly. B. Team members who do not know anything should keep quiet. C. Decisions should be made by consensus. Fourth, there should be formally established and recognized leadership. Fifth, all team members should be ready to compromise. Now choose your correct answer. 30. Surbhi could not win the poem recitation competition she participated in. What should, what should she do now? A. She should be depressed. B. She should try harder for the next competition. C. She should blame the judges. D. She should take out her anger on the winner. Achiever section. So this is highest weightage section. So do it carefully. Question number 31. Match the columns and select the correct options. Now match the cities in column 1 to the rivers in column 2. Now first is Agra. So which river is situated in Agra? Sarayu, Sabarmati, Hooghly or Yamuna. Second city is Kolkata. Now choose which river is associated with it. C is Ayodhya and D is Ahmedabad. Question number 32. Complete the following paragraph by selecting the correct options. The winner of the Olympic marathon at the first modern games in Athens was A or N. First. Now choose from option ABCD the first. Who was it? Australian, Greek, Swiss or Herman? So pleased was the then king of Greece at his victory that he asked the winner to ask for anything he liked as a reward. He asked for a, now C2. Options are donkey, horse or bull. He asked for a dash car to help him in his water carrying business. The name the name of this champion marathoner was, now see from options given in third and choose the correct answer. A few common substances are listed in the box. First, coffee grounds. Second, paper plates. Third, plastic toys. Fourth, glass. Fifth, credit card. Sixth, roasted peanuts. Which of the following represents the most appropriate classifications of these objects? Now from this list you have to choose which are biodegradable and which are non-biodegradable. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect? First, German scientist Galileo developed a telescope. Second, French chemist and microbiologist Louis Pasteur studied about microorganisms and developed few vaccines. Third, British theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking is famous for his work on black holes. D. Charles Darwin developed the theory of universal gravitation and three laws of motion. Now choose which is incorrect. Which of the following is the heaviest? Now see the picture. You have to find which option is heaviest. Cylinder, sphere, cone can't be determined. Now see how many kgs are they and then find out which is the heaviest. Check answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.